Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by enabling the services that Nearby Share depends on. Turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth right away, then open Settings Right Arrow Privacy Right Arrow Location to allow access. This helps device discovery. Next, confirm your Windows 10 build is up to date and sign into your Microsoft account so shared items appear across devices. Once done, open the Quick Actions panel and enable Nearby Sharing so your PC begins advertising itself. This first step gets the system ready to send and receive files. Now you'll transfer a file, locate it in File Explorer and choose Share from the ribbon or right-click. Select Nearby Sharing from the Share menu. The system will search for nearby devices using Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. When the recipient's PC appears in the list, click it to send. The recipient must accept the prompt, make sure they look at their screen and confirm. Once accepted, Windows establishes a secure direct connection and the transfer proceeds. Larger files use Wi-Fi for speed. After the transfer completes, open your Downloads folder or the folder you configured to find the received item. Windows shows a notification you can click to open the file. If you don't see the other device, restart Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, toggle Nearby Sharing off and on, then retry Discovery. Make sure both PCs are on the same network type and that Windows firewall or third-party security isn't blocking Nearby Sharing. One quick troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable firewall rules for.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.